Hello guys, I finally finalized my growing tomato list for this year, and the total ended up being 40 varieties of tomatoes. I tried, but that's where we are. And let's see, here we go. The first up is the Nordic Creme. It's one of my favorites. This is delicious. Black cherry, everybody knows that one. I always grow it. It lasts the whole summer long. And mine lasted this past year up until like November. So that's a great tomato. This is black from Tula. I'm doing green zebra this year. I've grown it before. Southern Night, Golden King of Siberia, black pineapple, also called Anana. Yeah, I'm sure I'm butchering up that name. Black Brandywine, Japanese Trefele, green Cherokee green. Golden Cherokee, Black Prince, what's this? Yeah, Black Prince, Brandywine. Gonna try this pink Oxheart again. This was the one that was real gappy. It was like hollow almost on the inside. It was good, but it was hollow. I'm gonna try it again. Black Seaman. I'm doing the big rainbow this year. Let's see, we have green giant. Yeah, I'm not going to try to say that. Can you guys see that? Okay. Next I have a black creme. Cherokee purple. Sungold. I really like that Sungold. And actually I saved some. I know it's a hybrid, but I want to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to grow the actual ones that I had left in here, and then the ones that I saved to see what happens. Next, Texas Star. Then I have Humph. That's a green one. Place my pineapple. Gonna try this boxcar Willie again. I didn't get any tomatoes last year, and that plant was like stunted. I should have pulled it, but I didn't. Kept wishing. Gonna do my green grape tomatoes this year. And doing the sweet, aperitif again. The large red cherries. And this is new. Is it Costoluto? Genovese. Yeah. I just love the way this looks. I'm hoping it tastes good as well. Prudence Purple. Yeah, I'm not going to try that one. That's Arbuznyi. It's a purple tomato. Looks pretty big. Beefsteak. Stomp of the world. Looks like a red orange, so I guess kind of pinkish tomato. This is one I got free last year with my shipment. This is Earl's Faux. Garden lime, green tomato. This is what I got free this year, was the pink Siberian. Hillybilly, been on my list for a while. It's a bicolor. German Johnson. That's like a standard old heirloom one. I'm going to try it. Everybody got this for free from Breaker Creek. And I keep hearing good and bad things about it, so I'll see for myself. It's probably going to go in a container. I'm not going to use a spot just in case. I'm going to put the ones I am sure of. And this is Sugar Lump. And this is the Litchi Tomato that I'm trying out. So it came out to about 40 tomatoes. If you guys have tried any of these new ones over here that I've not heard of, I know about the Prudence Purple. I've heard people talk about it, but and like I said, the mixed reviews on that. But this Garden Lime and the Pink Siberian, I haven't heard anything on those. So what are you guys growing new this year? And have you grown any of these, and how were they? Alright guys, I guess that's it. You never know. As long as I stay away from the store. Alright, talk to you later.